Hello, I am the 3D printing lawyer. This video is about how to know exactly how many grams are left on a spool. You basically just need to know how much the spool weighs. Oops, let's switch to grams. This Sunlow spool weighs 134 grams. Now I know that other spools that look like this, the JO, and Sunlow spools are 134 grams. But what if we don't have an empty spool? Here, I'm going to open a brand new 1 kilogram spool of 0 brand filament. Typically, you shouldn't open a spool until you're ready to use it. Since there's 1 kilo of filament, we know that this spool weighs 158 grams. Here's my used spool, and I want to be sure that I can print my Flexi Dragon that uses 550 grams of filament. And boom goes the dynamite.